In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana and set up your first project. Asana is a powerful tool for organizing work, whether you're managing a personal to-do list or coordinating with a team. We'll walk through the essentials, getting into your account, setting up your workspace, creating a project, choosing the best view, adding tasks with assignees and due dates, and staying on top of everything using my tasks. First, create or log in to your Asana account. Head to the Asana website and sign up if you're new or enter your credentials to log in. If you're prompted to verify your email, do that before moving on. Keep your login details secure and avoid sharing access. Multiple people can collaborate in Asana without sharing accounts. Next, set up your workspace or organization. If you're using a company email domain and plan to collaborate broadly, an organization is ideal. If you're working solo or with a small group, a workspace is perfect. Choose a clear, recognizable name so everyone knows where they are working. You can adjust details later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect now. If you plan to invite teammates, you can do it during setup or after your project is ready. Now, create your first project. Click to start a new project and pick a blank layout or a simple template if one fits your needs. Give your project a straightforward name and add a short description that explains the goal and what success looks like. Setting the project privacy to the right audience keeps things organized and avoids clutter for others. Choose the project view that works best. List view is great for straightforward task lists and quick scanning. Board view gives you columns, which is helpful for stages like to do, in progress, and done. Calendar view is perfect for seeing deadlines across a month. Timeline shows dependencies and scheduling across a span of time. You can switch views anytime, so pick what helps you understand the work fastest. Add tasks, assignees, and due dates. Create tasks with clear, action-oriented titles, and use the description to capture details or links. Assign each task to one person, so ownership is clear, and set realistic due dates. If a task has multiple parts, consider splitting it into smaller tasks or using subtasks for clarity. Group related work with sections to make the project easier to navigate. Finally, use My Tasks to track work assigned to you. Open My Tasks to see everything on your plate in one place. Sort by due date or priority. Review what's upcoming and mark items complete as you finish. This becomes your personal command center, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. Your foundation in Asana is set. Keep refining as you work, and you'll stay organized and confident.